In a lush jungle, there lived a mischievous monkey named Rambo, who loved swinging from tree to tree. One day, while exploring deep in the forest, Rambo found an old parrot named Bayo, sitting quietly on a low branch. Bayo had lost her ability to fly and was feeling sad, watching the other birds soar high above. Rambo, always full of ideas, decided to cheer Bayo up by gathering the jungle animals for a special parade. Rambo led the parade with colorful leaves, and the elephants, tigers, and even the shy deer joined in, dancing and playing along. Bayo, seeing all her friends having fun, forgot about her sadness and started singing with her heart.
When I am weak, you are near. You wipe away the wounds in my heart. You hold my hand, never let me go. Your love always strengthens me. Your love flows, giving me life. In your embrace I find peace. I will no longer fear, for your love is faithful forever.
Her song was so beautiful that the whole jungle paused to listen, feeling its warmth and joy. From then on, Bayo became the jungle's greatest singer, and Rambo learned that even without flying, Bayo could still touch the sky in her own special way. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.